Jumping on trends is one of the best ways of making sales faster. When you create products for people in periods of time when they're most likely to buy or pressured to buy, you start to stack the odds of success in your favor. And when you combine that with top quality products, design creation, and hitting those emotional elements for people in those periods of time, you are fast tracking your way to those $5,000 months and beyond. If you don't know how to create top quality products that sell, then make sure you go back through my channel after watching this video and watch what I've got here. And as you go through it, make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can catch each of the new videos that I upload on a weekly basis. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 niches to focus on right now. And by far and away, number 3 is my favorite. The reason being is when you focus on it, the size of the orders and the profits within are absolutely insane. Not only that, but of those niches and trends that I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the sub niches within. They are the niche angles, the specific people that you'll be creating products for. And then I'm going to share with you some killer product ideas. Let's get into it. Now, the first trend to focus on is Father's Day. And if we come into eRank, we can see that it's peaking out through May into June. So we can create products right up until the day that Father's Day actually happens, which is the 3rd Sunday of each June. And just like in the last video I shared with you, what I do is come into eRank to spot the opportunities. So I've searched for, by going Command F, and I want that to highlight the keyword so I can quickly reference to see which words they are. Now, if I come down, we can see firstly that first Father's Day gifts right there has quite good search volume as well as low Etsy competition. Another good one is Father's Day handprint craft. That's a great idea for doing those handprint personalized designs. Now, the sub niches within Father's Day, we've got bonus dad, Father's Day gift for husband, father-in-law, granddad, pet dad for dogs or cats, and plant dad. There are quite a few different terms or niches there that you can use in the dad space for Father's Day. These are just a handful that I wanted to share with you that you can get started with straight away. Take a look at the dog dad, for instance. We can see here, again, I've highlighted the term dad just so it pops out straight away. I'm not wasting time looking for the particular term. But dog dad, Father's Day, the competition's medium, but we come through, we can see other opportunities here as well. Dog dad mug, quite a lot of competition. Dog dad sweater, competition's a lot lower. What's this? Gifts from dog to dad. That's quite a unique one. What do we got here? Dog dad shirt, pitbull. Go through, have a look. If there's search volume there, chances are you're going to be making sales when you create the products for them. For product ideas for the fathers, I love these oversized hoodies. I've been singing their praises for a long time. But imagine doing that for dog dads or for even the kids, putting those custom faces on there. The whiskey glasses, they are doing insane numbers in terms of how much they're selling. The metal wall art and the keychains. The next season to focus on, graduation. Typically, it's from the first week of May through to the first week of June. So you're creating products for that entire period of time. And the niches or the sub niches there, we've got granddaughter, grandson, daughter, son, niece, nephew, and then you can intersect with the different professions as well. So you've got nursing or teaching, doctors, or whatever people are graduating from, there's an opportunity for you to create a product. Also schooling related. So pre-K, primary school, or high school are great opportunities as well. Now, a couple of different product ideas for graduation. You've got the acrylic plaques that you've got there. That style of design can be used on printed metal art, canvas, blankets. You've also got the jewelry and the blankets here as well. If we take a look at that specific acrylic plaque, it's absolutely dominating right now. 9 people bought this in the last 24 hours. We analyze that listing. We can see that its estimated monthly revenue is just under $36,500. It's super personalized. It's a really, really cool design. Now, if you'd love my personal guidance and the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business in as little as 2 hours a day, so you can create that time freedom and financial independence, then make sure you check out PodHacks, my coaching program. You can click it with the first link in the description below. There, watch the quick training. And if you love the sound of it, make sure you book a call with my team and I, and I'll have a chat to you over there. The next one, and my favorite, is the wedding season. And this maintains pretty good consistency year round, but it's generally through June to September that we start to see it peaking. So the niches within there, are usually just a search term or product trends that people are looking for. So groomsmen proposal, bridesmaid proposals, bachelor parties, bachelorette parties. Now, what I love about those specific products and those specific opportunities is the order value can be insane because they're buying so many products in one transaction. Also, one thing to keep in mind with the wedding season is the design styles that you're creating for as well. So you got country, rustic, beachside or lakeside, and bohemian. Now, product ideas for the wedding season, you got socks, apparel, whiskey glasses, totes, metal art, cutting boards, koozies or cozies, can coolers, they're all blowing up. You know, this particular chopping board is doing crazy numbers. The whiskey glasses, like I showed you before, the metal art, they're all really good quality products. Now, the thing is, if you focus more on the proposal type gifts or the bachelorette parties, you're going to see bigger order values. That's where I'd place the attention. To show you what I mean by blowing up, this chopping board, look, we can see here that it sold 92 in the past 24 hours. We've got different sizes and whatnot that sell at different prices as well. So this is going to be based on the selling price that they've listed here. But if we analyze this listing with Everbee, we can see that in the past month, it's done just under $166,000. That is awesome. There you go. There's some ideas to get stuck in and get creating for the specific niches or trends or seasons that we're currently in. Stack those odds of success in your favor. And as I said at the beginning of this video, if you haven't made those sales yet, you really need to learn the fundamentals of how to create heartfelt, emotionally charged products so people actually buy. And to do that, you need to watch this video next. Stay awesome.